Read the directions.
Have you been to the moon? No, not that.
Secret. No, that's not right.
Stop!
Cool. Don't. Oh. Oh. I don't get it. Oh. Oh, got. No. Whoa. I know a psychologist. I'm a pacifist.
Yeah, that'll work.
Oh. Ouch. Ow. I know match for you.
No.
Time out. I'm a pacifist. Ow. I can't take it. Ow.
Hey, it's lonely in here.
Ow. Ouch. Oh.
No.
No.
Mama told me not to come.
Babushka. Oh, God. Oh.
No, not that.
It's a never-ending story. Oh! Enough! Help me! Oh my God!
Put it back.
Time out! I can't take it!
It's quite a little fast.
No.
Can you hold the phone steady on the sleeves for a while?
Oh, please, stop! No, please!
Oh, yeah.
I know match for you! I know a psychologist!
No.
I'm out! Oh! No! Enough! There's nothing sacred. I don't get it. Nothing is safe. Way to go.
Put that back. Yeah, just.
Do I look taller now? Aye! Stop, drop, and roll. My God, why? Siri, call the ambulance. Siri, where's the nearest hospital? No, no, no.
That's not good.
Might want to put that back. What's going on? Splendid. Do I look taller now? That's better. I gotta have to choose something else. I live in a box. Ow! Oh my God! Buddy, angry! Excellent. Mama! Read the directions! There's nothing sacred! Stop! Enough! No! You're killing me! I don't get it! Big it now, big it no! Read the directions! I'm dying! Time out! Ow! That's not right. I don't get it. Nothing is safe! There's my frog somewhere around here. Aye! Ow! Oi! That's not good. Do you know how to apply a tourniquet? Sharp, sharp, sharp! Whoa! Ah! Ow! I don't need pruning! You're killing me! Ooh! Buddy, angry! Oh my God! Oh! Ow! No, no, no! Help me! Time out! Oh! Let me out of here! Hi, Chihuahua! You're quite the gay blade, aren't you? Oh! You're too stabby! Kickthebuddy-o-matic.
No.
Don't pop out my stomach. This is not what I meant by being cut. Go back to the Bates Motel. No. Make it stop, make it stop. You're quite the gay blade, aren't you?
Hey, Hannibal, let's watch cartoons instead.
Get off me, Freddy! Oh, God!
We'll be buddies now.
Got him. Tell nobody of what you see. You're the creator. Disgusting, muchacho.
This is me, donkey dog.
I'm unarmed! Truce, truce!
No, not that.
I can't feel anything!
Can you turn me toward the TV?
Open a window!
No.
Read the directions!
Ow!
Enough! I'm burning! Aye! You're a bad person! What's wrong with you? Why, God, why? Stop, drop, and roll! Oh! I know that's for you! What about karma? Think of your karma! I'm getting post-traumatic stress disorder! I'll never sleep again! No, not that. Hey, take your time. You might want to put that back. Choose something else. Siri, call the ambulance. Ooh! Yow! Ah! Oh! Oh, God! Free! Ow! Ah, yeah! Oh, excuse me. My biscuits are burning. Open a window. Siri, where's the nearest hospital?
Guy?
Oh! Weirdly awkward.
Let's see what it can do.
Stop!
Just call me Indiana. Dun, 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 dun.
I'm dying!
You're so cool. I don't get it.
No, no, no!
Nothing is safe.
Stop! The pain!
That's not right.
Doink!
Money well spent.
Oi! No!
There's nothing sacred. Read the directions.
Ow!
Oh, yeah. I don't get it.
Glee!